What's up guys, it's Travis and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and this altcoin that I haven't talked to you guys about yet. If you guys get value from today's video, then please make sure to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Let's get right into it. Alright, so jumping right into it, let's take a look at Bitcoin and its market cap. Check this out, $37,000 a coin, guys. We are back up to almost $40,000 a coin. That is crazy. And then we had this drop and a lot of people freaked out. They sold, a lot of people were selling, and the big institutional buyers, these big whales, were just consuming all the Bitcoin that these small retail investors were selling. And so we can see we're consolidating right around that $30,000 level. I bought right around there, and I made a video a couple videos back telling you guys, do not sell your Bitcoin. There's a lot of consolidation that was happening here. There were a lot of big whales that were coming in and buying at these points. A lot of people were freaking out because looking at that drop, you know, that was, I think it was like a 30% drop or a 20% drop from the previous all-time highs, and then went back up. And I believe we're going to be hitting close to that resistance of $42,000 range in the next week or so. It's going to do a little bit of a consolidation. It's going to hit that, maybe bounce down a little bit, and then break out to new all-time highs. So that's what I'm expecting with Bitcoin's price. I'm super bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Absolutely just so excited for what's going to be happening this year with Bitcoin. Not financial advice, but in my opinion, I truly believe Bitcoin is going to be worth well over, on the very low end, Bitcoin's gonna be worth 90 to 100 grand by July or August. That is my prediction. There are a lot of people that are predicting $300,000 a coin, $600,000 a coin. I could see it happening. I could see it hitting $300,000 realistically, maybe $400,000 to $500,000 a coin, at least in this market. $100,000 a coin is on the low end of what I expect to see with Bitcoin's price. Realistically, it could go a lot higher than that. So I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Now let's jump over to Ethereum. So Ethereum had some very exciting news this week, and as you can see, it broke new all-time highs. Very excited for Ethereum. Congrats to everyone who's holding. Like I said, we made new all-time highs. And so that means that everyone who's holding Ethereum right now, pretty much everyone, is now in the green, in the profit. So congrats again to you guys. I'm very excited and very happy for you guys to be in this space together and making potentially life-changing money. Is just super exciting, and I'm so thankful for you guys. So anyways, let's jump right into the coin that I want to talk to you guys about today. And that coin is called Prosper. Taking a look at Prosper, we can see that the price per coin is at $2.08. Market cap is currently at $9 million, so it's still very low. So I was doing a lot of research on Prosper, taking a look at it, and I was looking at it right around here. I bought a little bit down here, and then sure enough, right before I come out with this video, of course, it has this huge shoot up. So you know, we could see another drop down and test some of these previous supports down here. But again, at such a low market cap, it could continue to push up. So with all investments, you guys need to realize they are risky, especially these smaller coins. There's a lot of risk involved, so just keep that in mind and never put more money into these types of investments than you're willing to lose. As always, this is not financial advice, but anyways. So taking a look at the Prosper chart, you can see that there's just this nice, consistent uptrend, and it comes down, tests that line. You can see there's almost like this invisible line. It comes up, then back down, tests the line, goes up, comes back down, tests the line, goes back up. So I could very well see Prosper continuing this pattern, if not going parabolic. At such a low market cap, this could really just fly. So just be on the lookout for Prosper, put it on your watch list or whatever. So let's dive in a little bit deeper into Prosper and the website. This is a really simple, easy to read, easy to use platform. It's like so self-explanatory. So you can see it's a prediction market. It's all about gambling or betting. And it's really interesting, and I know a lot of people are really big into betting, and whether that's in sports or politics or whatever it is, there's a lot of money to be made in gambling. So they're talking about what they have as advantages. They're talking about retail oriented, custom pools owned by users, unique prediction insurance system, which I think is pretty cool, fiat integration, cross-chain support, so it goes over into different kinds of platforms. It's a very simple concept. I mean, as you guys can see, if you're taking a look at the screen, it's very simple, very easy to use platform. So I really like it. Then they're talking about the existing prediction markets. They're only crypto oriented, can't be customized, no engaging features, no fiat gateways, built on a single chain, not user friendly, lack of liquidity, etc., etc. So obviously they're comparing themselves to other platforms. They're trying to prove to you guys and us as investors why they're a better investment compared to these competitors. This is a very simple, easy breakdown explaining how the system works. So us as users sign into our MetaMasks. Like I said, it's just this Google Chrome extension, and then we go and buy this token Prosper. And with Prosper, we can go and then bet on Prosper's smart contract, which was given by Chainlink. And then in the Prosper's smart contract, it will break down more, but it explains how the tokens get divided up and how we get paid out, and the tokenomics of the Prosper coin and how much money we make, how much money we get to save for holding the coin. We'll get more into that, but this is, like I said, just a very simple, easily explained drawing of how their architecture works. So, getting to the liquidity program. The main problem of the crypto prediction markets is a lack of liquidity. We are aiming to solve that by implementing binary models of liquidity provision. As Prosper is a short-term prediction market, the results of each pool are pretty much randomized. This means that in general, the expected value for liquidity providers is always positive. This is what most investors really care about when it comes down to how can I make money, or how is this going to profit me as an investment. So incentivizing us for holding their Prosper token, we have lower commission rates, there's prediction insurance, we get access to these exclusive pools, we get to customize pool creations, the prediction leverage that you get with their token, the liquidity incentives. So Prosper is offering us a lot of value with their token for holding their token and using their token. So now let's dive into the prediction insurance that they're offering with the Pros token. At the moment of prediction placing, each user may reserve some amount of Pros token in order to ensure his prediction. The maximum amount of the reserve tokens equals 10% of the user prediction amount. Each exact pool has its own insurance fund. So at the moment of the reward distribution, 15% of the prize is taken to the pool insurance fund and distributed to users who lost their predictions, but reserve Pros tokens for insurance. The distribution is linearly based on the amount of reserve tokens. This feature is currently in development and will be released soon. So they haven't come out with this yet, but this is a really cool concept explaining how they can provide insurance to the betting on the Pros tokens. And then right here, they're talking about the custom pools. So unlike other prediction markets, Prosper allows users to create their own pools with their own conditions. In order to create a custom pool, the user needs to hold some amount of Pros tokens on his wallet. Prediction creator can set his own custom treasury rate. So I think they're doing a really good job here at putting demand on the Pros token itself by allowing us to do things that specifically requires the Pros token. So in this nice little drawing that they have here, the user gets the Pros tokens, creates a custom pool with it, and then goes on to the predictions. The people that are the users then can go and make predictions on this custom pool. And since you are the creator of the pool, some of these profits go back to you for providing the Pros tokens. And so this is just another way to create more income with the Pros tokens. So really interesting concept here. So a lot of the things that are going on with Prosper right now still haven't been released yet. They're still in the beta stage. And so right here they have a nice little timeline of what they're expecting to have released by certain dates. So Q1 2021, they list some of the things that they're gonna have done here, the prediction insurance that we were talking about earlier, the different pools that they would be offering predictions on. So right now, I think it's just the Binance chain, which is the BNB. They'll be adding Ethereum, Bitcoin, and DOT prediction pools, binary liquidity programs, launch on Ethereum, launch on Avalanche, launch on Matic. So a lot of launches in Q1, Q2, talks about near blockchain support, more assets for predictions, prediction analytics, fiat integration. So it sounds like they're going to be bringing in like fiat, which is cash or currency that everyday users are using. And by allowing people to use fiat on Prosper will give us a huge advantage, especially for us who are holding the Prosper token, because it provides more liquidity to us and allows us as a Prosper token holders to create more income. So very excited for that. Q3 talks about Polkadot, blockchain support, cross pools, wager function, more timeframes, etc. Q4, blockchain liquidity aggregator and bridges, custom decentralized lotteries, sports predictions and aggregations, volatility pools, custom predictions, etc. So these are all things that Prosper has been working on and are planning on being released in 2021, this year. They also have some very big backers and partners here. As you guys can see, we got Matic, Anchor, and I'm sure all of us have heard of Chainlink. So I am very excited to see what Prosper has in store for all of us as investors in the coming year. So that's all I've got for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some sort of value. If you did, then please make sure to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. I'm Travis Trades, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon in the upcoming episode. Take it easy, guys.